I don't know why it looks so blurry. How can I almost have definition under my flat? That's weird. Take care. I wanted to go to the forest today, but it's raining like it's a tsunami. Or was not tsunami, you know, hurricane, you know, but it's like, you know what I'm talking about. That's from a native English talking country. And my grip is very sore from yesterday. You know, you worked out hard when you barely can squeeze your phone after you lift it. I did, like, if you didn't see it, deadlifted like 448 and altogether 8 times with pauses yesterday. So no weekly. I'll show you below here. So you can feel the forearms, you know, it's stiff when you lift it heavy. The day after you get gets, you know, sensitive, the muscles.